Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 52 for multi-vendor e-commerce website in Django with React.js. So in this video, we will mainly redirect our page to success or failure page after the according to the payment status. Right? We have already created the pages. So now what I will do, I will implement that functionality. Right? So let me show you. If I go to in the component, uh, let me show you app.js. Then if I search success, so here you can see we have already defined the order success and order failure page, right? So what we will need to do in the confirm order, when our update order status done, then we will window location href order success and order failure, right? So this will show according to the response. So let's test this. So what I will do here, I will go here, add to cart, my cart, proceed, then PayPal, and I have this ID, PayPal, okay, password, complete purchase. So here you can see that. So thanks for the order, home dashboard, right? So if I go here home, and if I see this order and order items, so order items is not showing here, right? So let me show you why this is not showing. So if I go here, if I actually here proceed, so it is showing uh response order and product, this field is required. So we need to understand this. So by default, here is our serializer. By default, the nested serializer is read only field, so it is not sending the data to the server, right? So what we will do, I will remove this. I have added this because when we represent our order item serializer, then I want to fetch all the data related to that specific order and product. But if I remove this, then it will show only the ID. So we need to do something that when we send the data, then it should accept the ID, and when we view the data, it should show all the data, right? So what I will do here, I will override the to representation function, right? So I will say this will be response. This function is responsible for representing your instance, right? So our instance is currently order item, right? So what I'm going to override order equal to order detail serializer, right? And then we have this instance dot order dot data, right? And then we have this is same for the product, right? So this will be same for the product. So product, and this is here, and then we will return response, right? Now let's test this. First, let's remove the order that we have created, right? And now let's go here and refresh this page. Here you can see the order is going, right? And it is representing the product, okay, but it should represent all the data. Let me check one more time. Instance order product represent super to represent, okay. So actually I think I'm fetching on, okay, this is only fetching the data. If I go here, refresh this page, then it is not showing the data. We need to here order, it is only showing the ID, right? So what we need to do in the sorry, in the serializer, to represent let me show you what we have done. So I'm going to match this code just to represent instance order detail. Oh, this should be product detail serializer, right? So product detail serializer instance product dot data response order detail serializer product detail serializer. We have this. Now let's try to refresh this page. Okay, so this is showing the data. We have uh, we have this product data, but it is not showing the order data. Let me check this. Order detail serializer instance dot order. Everything is fine. Response order detail serializer. Yeah, this should show the data. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, let's test this again. Let me delete this. Delete. I'm sure. Copy this and PayPal. This one, and then we have complete purchase, home, right? Refresh here. Nothing is showing. Orders. No orders. I think data has been deleted from the cart so that it is not showing. Okay, let's go here, add to cart, my cart, proceed, this one, this one. Okay, let's test this. Complete purchase. Now let's see here. We have data, but it is not showing the order. Okay, let's see that why this is not showing the order. Okay, so the main issue is in the order detail serializer, we are calling the order items, but we need to give here order serializer, right? So it will fetch the data except the image, because when we fetch the nested data, so it will give us this image, right? So for this, what we will do, in the order row we have this base API URL, right? So let's create one more URL which is known as base URL, right? So this is without API, so base URL, right? Where is the item image? Let's copy this one, actually the whole thing, right? And then paste it here, right? And the image will be, go here, and here we will define our URL, right? So this will be the base URL. Okay, so this bracket is here, this is here. What we need to do, this one, right? So here you can see that, right? So with this we have completed our order part. So it is redirecting on the success page. The data is showing here, right? So when we click on this, it will show here in the detail page, right? So in the next part, in the next video, we will work on other sections, maybe in other payment gateway, and we also need to modify the price and all the things for this when we are sending the payment to the payment gateway. Currently we are sending the static price, but we need to modify the dynamic price according to the product. So we will do this few little things in our next video, right? So thank you so much for watching the video, And if you need the source code of this project, then please check out the code artisan lab multi-vendor e-commerce, and here I have given the steps. You can learn by yourself for watching the video, but if you need the project, then you can just simply pay this amount on the PayPal, send me your get username, I will provide you the access, right? And this is very simple step, so I can provide you. And one more thing, you will you have current in the current situation, the benefit is the when project completed, the whole price of this project will be maybe 200, but now if you are purchasing, then I'm giving you on $85, right? So you can learn, you can watch, you have a source code once you paid. So I think this is a good deal. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please stay tuned with the Code Artisan Lab. I will try to upload. Uh, I will try to complete this series so that we can start our new project, that is a hotel management system. So I will create with the Django, Bootstrap, and PostgreSQL. And after our that first when completed, then we will move to the next JS, right? So also you can comment your project ideas. I will appreciate that, and I will try to create that. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. uh, Please stay tuned with the Code Artisan Lab. Thank you.